Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English is Easy, the podcast where learning English is fun and simple. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here again.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm great, thanks. I woke up early, had a nice breakfast, and I'm ready for today's lesson.
Perfect, because today's topic is all about that your daily routine.
Yes, from the moment we wake up to the moment we turn off the lights.
Exactly. It's one of the best topics for beginners because you can use these sentences every day.
100%. Talking about your daily routine helps you practice the present simple tense. I get up, I eat breakfast, I go to work.
And it helps you have small conversations in English with friends, teachers, or colleagues.
But before we start, we have a little request for you.
Yes. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new English lessons.
And if you like what we do, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are learning English.
It really helps our channel grow, and it means the world to us.
All right, let's start our day together from waking up to lights out.
So, Tom, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, honestly, the first thing I do is try to not go back to sleep.
Oh, that's a good one. I think many people do that.
Yes, my alarm goes off at 7 a.m. I usually say, just 5 more minutes.
Oh, the famous 5 more minutes. But okay, you wake up at 7. Then what?
I stretch, sit up, and get out of bed. Then I go to the bathroom to wash my face.
Great. That's a good start. So we can say, I wake up at 7. I get up. I wash my face.
Right. And then I brush my teeth, of course.
Important. Don't forget that step.
Never.
After that, do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
In the morning. A shower helps me wake up.
Nice. So you can say, I take a shower in the morning.
And after my shower, I dry myself and get dressed.
Perfect. Do you choose your clothes the night before?
Nope. I decide in the morning. Sometimes it's a problem. I stand in front of my closet for 5 minutes thinking, hmm, what should I wear?
I do the same. Okay, so that's the early morning. Wake up, shower, get dressed. Now let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day.
Oh, yes, I love breakfast. I usually have toast, eggs, and a cup of coffee. And
That sounds good. I usually have oatmeal with fruit and a cup of tea.
nice. Healthy breakfast.
Thank you. And sometimes on weekends, I make pancakes.
Pancakes. You're making me hungry already.
Sorry. So, useful sentences for breakfast. I have breakfast at 7:30. I drink coffee. I eat toast and eggs.
And if you skip breakfast, you can say, I don't eat breakfast.
Yes, that's right. But we recommend eating something, right?
Definitely. English and breakfast both need fuel.
Okay, after breakfast, what do you do next?
I go to work. I leave home around 8:15.
How do you go to work?
I usually drive, but sometimes I take the bus if traffic is bad.
Perfect. So we can say, I leave home at 8:15. I go to work by car or I take the bus to school.
And for people who work from home, you can say, I start work at 9 a.m. from home.
Exactly. Now, do you listen to music or a podcast on the way to work?
Always. I love listening to English podcasts like Learning English is Easy.
Good answer, Tom.
It's true. Listening to English in the morning helps me think in English all day.
That's a great habit for our listeners to try too. So, let's talk about work or study. What do you do during the day?
Well, I work in an office. I answer emails, attend meetings, and talk to clients.
Nice. That's a lot of speaking practice.
It is. And sometimes I have coffee breaks. Very important moments.
Oh, yes, coffee breaks are sacred.
For students, you can say, I go to school or I have classes.
Right. For example, I start work at 9. I have lunch at 12:30 p.m. I finish work at 5.
And for students, I go to school at 8. I have classes until 3 p.m.
Excellent.
Let's make a little example. I start work at 9, I have a coffee at 10. I have lunch with my coworkers at 12:30. I finish work at 5.
Perfect. And for a student, I go to school at 8. I have math and English classes. I eat lunch in the cafeteria. I go home at 3:30.
Simple and clear.
Lunchtime, my favorite part of the day.
Mine too. What do you usually eat for lunch, Anna?
I usually have something light, maybe a salad or pasta.
I usually bring lunch from home, a sandwich and some fruit.
That's nice. It saves money too.
Yeah, so we can say, I have lunch at noon. I eat in the cafeteria. Or, I bring my lunch from home.
Perfect sentences for your daily routine vocabulary.
So after work, what do you do, Anna?
It depends. Sometimes I go to the gym, sometimes I meet friends, and sometimes I just go home and relax.
I like that variety.
What about you, Tom?
I usually go for a walk after work. It helps me clear my mind. Then I cook dinner.
Wow, you cook every night?
Almost. I enjoy cooking. It's relaxing.
That's great. So you can say, I go to the gym after work. I meet my friends. I go for a walk. I cook dinner.
And if you don't feel like doing much, you can say, I go straight home and watch TV.
Yes, that's my favorite activity on Fridays.
Dinner time. What's your usual dinner, Anna?
Hmm, maybe soup and some rice or vegetables.
Healthy? I usually make pasta or chicken with vegetables.
Nice. So, sentences we can use. I have dinner at 7 p.m. I cook dinner for my family. I eat dinner while watching TV.
And sometimes we can say, I order food when we get takeout.
Yes, I order pizza or I order sushi.
I love pizza nights.
Me too. They're part of my special routine. Okay, dinner is done. Now, what happens in the evening?
After dinner, I usually relax. I watch a movie or read a book.
Nice. I sometimes call my family or listen to music.
That's good. For learners, here are some examples. I watch TV. I read a book. I call my mom. I listen to music.
Great examples. You can also say, I check social media. I go online.
Yes, but be careful. Not for too long.
True. Scrolling for 3 hours is not relaxing.
That's right.
So it's almost the end of the day. What's next?
I take a shower again. I'm a quick one before bed.
You're a morning and night shower person.
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
That's good. So we can say, I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I put on my pajamas.
And some people might say, I check my phone one last time.
Yes, guilty. I do that too.
Then I set my alarm for the next day.
And finally, I go to bed or I go to sleep.
Or I turn off the lights.
Perfect. That's the lights out moment, the last part of the day. Okay, Tom, can you describe your full daily routine for our listeners?
Sure, let's do it. I wake up at 7. I get up, take a shower, and get dressed. I eat breakfast, toast and coffee. I leave home at 8:15 and go to work by car. I start work at 9, have meetings, and send emails. I have lunch at 12:30 with my coworkers. I finish work at 5. After work, I go for a walk and then cook dinner. In the evening, I watch a movie or read a book. I take a shower, brush my teeth, and go to bed around 11. Lights out.
That's perfect. Very clear and easy to understand.
Now it's your turn, Anna.
Okay. I wake up at 6:30. I stretch, take a shower, and get dressed. I eat oatmeal and drink tea for breakfast. I leave home at 7:30 and walk to school. I start teaching at 8. I have classes all morning. I eat lunch at 12:30, then I prepare lessons in the afternoon. I finish work at 4:30. After work, I sometimes go to the gym or meet friends. I have dinner at 7, watch TV, and call my family. Before bed, I brush my teeth, read a few pages of a book, and turn off the lights at 10:30.
Wow, Anna, that's a very productive day.
Yes, but weekends are for sleeping in.
Agreed.
Let's quickly review the main verbs we learned today.
Wake up, take a shower, brush your teeth, get dressed. Have breakfast, lunch, dinner, go to work, school, finish work, go home, watch TV, read a book, go to bed.
Excellent. These are all everyday verbs you can practice right now.
And don't forget the time expressions. In the morning, at noon, in the evening, at night.
Exactly.
So, listeners, here's your challenge for today.
Write or record your own daily routine in English.
Use the verbs we practiced. For example, I wake up at 7, I have breakfast, I go to work.
Keep it simple and practice saying it out loud.
Yes, and if you can, tell us your routine in the comments below.
We love reading your sentences.
All right, I think it's time for us to end our day. Lights out, right?
Yes, that's right.
So before we go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learning English is Easy, so you don't miss new English conversations every week.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like this video and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Your support helps us create more fun lessons for you.
Thank you all so much for listening today.
We hope you learned some new words and phrases to talk about your day.
And remember, practice every day, even for 5 minutes.
Yes, because learning English really is easy when you enjoy it.
Absolutely. Until next time,
Keep practicing.
and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye, everyone.